Introducing Project Lite, an SMB-focused project management tool that lives inside of your Microsoft suite of products. This solution empowers businesses to manage any number of projects in one place. Each project can be broken down into templated deliverables for a detailed level of tracking and support a configurable process map to understand the overall project process. Project managers can also track risks, issues, and stakeholders as the project progresses. Resources are stored centrally in the system and scheduled accordingly using the live schedule board. Once a task is complete, resources can submit their timesheets for approval either on a laptop or by phone. These are approved and then ready for financial action and tracking. And all this on a cloud-based Microsoft tool that lives inside of your Microsoft suite with connected Teams, Outlook, and SharePoint connectivity, supporting a continuous comms audit trail. So why is Project Lite the right project management tool for me and my small business? Well, on top of all these great features, you'll be up and running in just 1 week, and the implementation includes personalized forms, reports and data capture, data import from existing systems, and unlimited ad hoc training from our employed UK team. If you'd like to find out more about Project Lite, please get in touch with us today.